Alright, so about 2 months ago, I was using my laser and I was realizing that I couldn't cut through even the thinnest of papers. I had it on the full power and going real slow, and I was still just burning the paper, just slightly scorching it. I wasn't able to engrave images very well. So I reached out to the supplier that I bought my laser from off of AliExpress, and they were able to point me in the right direction. I asked them if I could replace the diode, and what they told me to do was go ahead and send them the entire laser, which in hindsight I don't know if I would do again, because this took multiple months to get back to me, longer than as if I had just purchased another laser, and the shipping alone for shipping this laser back to them was $35 or thereabouts. So I don't know if I'll be doing that again. The whole laser originally was only 60 bucks, and I would have extra pieces if I had kept the other one and just bought another one. So here's the unboxing, or the re-unboxing of my supposed to be used laser that they may or may not have repaired. Or did I say the seller went on vacation between when I sent it to them and when they went ahead and decided to send it back to me? That's part of what was taking so long. So before too long happens, let's get into it. See what we got here. Well, this looks, well, that's not my name. Interesting. It's close. Get a box knife. Oh, there it is. It is the same one, I think. I know by the fact that I cut off the stickers. No, these are new stickers. Not the same one. But that's good, because I use the other one a lot. It's a 3.5 watt, 450 nanometer focusable laser with the TTL input. I built a 3DP burner that the plans are by donation off of their website, and the only thing that I have to say about that is that it doesn't have a very deep throat, so I can't put anything very thick in there. Otherwise it works amazingly, especially for engraving images. I'll do a video on that shortly. Well, here's my reacquired laser. Thanks for watching.